In this video, I'll show you how to use CRM dashboards to track revenue and optimize your business performance. Whether you're new to CRM systems or just want to improve your tracking, I'll cover everything you need to know in the next few minutes. By the end, you'll understand how to leverage CRM dashboards to get real-time insights into your revenue streams. Let's start with the basics. A CRM dashboard is a powerful tool that consolidates all your data into one place, providing a clear overview of your business's key performance metrics. Tracking revenue through CRM dashboards is crucial because it lets you monitor sales performance, spot trends, and adjust your strategies in real time. To begin, most CRMs will allow you to customize your dashboard. Start by adding widgets that are relevant to your revenue tracking. You want to include total sales, revenue by region, and performance by individual sales reps or teams. This gives you a quick snapshot of your revenue at any given moment. Next, filter your data to view revenue over a specific time period. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, or even quarterly. The more granular the data, the better insights you'll get. For example, if you notice that revenue spikes every quarter, you can dig deeper to uncover what factors are driving that growth. Another crucial part of tracking revenue is forecasting. Many CRMs offer revenue forecasting features that allow you to predict future sales based on historical data. By tracking revenue patterns, you'll be able to anticipate trends, plan for high and low periods, and optimize resource allocation accordingly. One feature that helps with this is the sales pipeline. By tracking where each lead is in the pipeline, you can estimate how much revenue you're likely to generate in the coming weeks or months. Look at the pipeline stages, whether it's leads, opportunities, or closed deals, and assess how each stage is impacting your revenue numbers. Now, let's talk about using CRM dashboards for more than just tracking. The real power comes from taking action on the data. For example, if a particular sales rep is consistently outperforming others, analyze their approach and replicate it with the rest of your team. If certain products or services are driving more revenue, you can prioritize them in your marketing campaigns. By keeping track of metrics like average deal size, conversion rates, and sales cycle length, you can improve decision-making, identify gaps, and increase revenue. The more you track, the more you can adjust and grow your business. So why should you care about using CRM dashboards to track revenue? Because having this data at your fingertips means you can make smarter, data-driven decisions that ultimately drive more revenue for your business. As a quick recap, customize your CRM dashboard to display key revenue metrics, filter data by time periods, leverage forecasting to predict future sales, and use pipeline tracking to spot trends. Most importantly, take action on the data to improve your overall strategy. Before I go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. It's available only to viewers of this channel, and it's the perfect way to follow along and take control of your revenue tracking. The link is in the description below. Key takeaway: CRM dashboards are your best tool for tracking revenue, giving you the insights you need to optimize sales performance and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial in the description.